how to make picture as a wallpaper on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings, on left side, go to Wallpaper. And Wallpaper, okay, scroll down and below you can see the Add Folder button. Okay, to create the picture as a wallpaper, okay, you'll have to do first is click the Add Folder and add a folder you want on your document or file. So for my example, I select the logo Richard Cabile folder. So okay, after you select the folder, click choose button on the pop-up. And now you can see the picture or photo available to your folder. So okay guys, I decided to set my logo as a wallpaper on my MacBook Air. So I put this Richard Cabile logo as a wallpaper on my MacBook Air. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully make a picture as a wallpaper on MacBook Air. And if you want to remove this folder, okay, you'll have to do is in wallpaper section, you can see the logo Richard Cabile folder. So to remove this, you'll have to do is click the X button on the right side to remove.